then 255.255 255.240.0.0, then enter exit command. So int gig 0/0/0/1.77. We will use the 77 or the VLAN 77 and then enter same procedure, the encapsulation dot one q 77, and then we will add the IP address again for VLAN 77 address IP address 10.144.77.1, and then the subnet mask is 255.245.240.0.0, and then pagkatapos naman po niyan is we will use the exit command and int g0/0/1 no shutdown, and then we configure the first connection of our router to PC, then we will configure the other line or other connection. So yan, okay na po yung isa nating line, nag-green na po siya, gumagana na. And then another line or connection, we will configure it. Int gigs 0/0/0.17, and then encapsulation again, encapsulation dot 1q dot 17, and then IP add. Mag-add po tayo ng, again, ng IP address 10.144.77, 10.144.17.1, and then ang subnet mask po natin is 255.240.0.0, and then exit command and int gig 0/0/1/0, and then no shutdown, and then the exit command. So makikita po natin na naging ayos na rin po yung ating another line or connection. Nag-green na po siya, gumagana na po siya. Then we will add the IP address on every PCs. For the PC1, we will add the 10.144.0.1, and then we will add the default gateway For the default gateway, we will use 10.144.0.0 and then maglalagay din lang po tayo ng IP address para naman po sa PC2 natin. IP configuration, then IP address po natin is 10.144.0.2 dahil sa PC1 po natin is .1 ang ating ginamit. Then, sa default gateway is 10.144.0.0 and then another PC is ganun din po. Add the IP address that 10.144.0 then ito naman po is .3 and then sa default gateway niya is same as the first two PCs and then para naman po sa switch 1 lalagyan din po natin ng mga PCs ng IP address so 10.144.0. Dito naman po is .4 ang gagamitin natin paapat na PC na po siya. Hindi po pwede magkakagaya sa IP address. Then, sa default gateway is the 10.144.0.0. And then, sa PC4 naman po is ganoon lang din po ang ating gagawin. Maglalagay lang po tayo ng IP address. And then, for the PC4 is 10.144.0.5. And then, default gateway is same as other 10.144.0.0 and for the last PC is 10.144.0.6 and then the default gateway is same as the other 10.144.0.0 then X. We will check the connection of every PC. So PC0 to PC1. Okay, successful po ang kanilang connection. And then PC3 to PC4 is successful din po.